Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you how you can change the background of any text here. For example, you may need to have, maybe to have the background of this color here, of this word here, changed just as it is here right now. Very simple. You can just use a simple HTML code. So to do this, go to your editor. I will leave a link. This link on the description. So just copy it, come here, go to the word you need to change. For example, this one, paste it before that word, come and copy this one too, and paste it after that word, like that. Then after, go to your visual. You'll find that word, the background of that word will be changed, just like that. So you change all the background of this word. You may even need to change this one. And even here, the color, you can change the color. For example, here you can change any color. For example, you may need to change to any color of your choice. See? It changes to any color. It changes to any color. It changes to any color of your choice. So that's how you can do it. You can even maybe decide to change the background color of this, of the titles. Just copy this, only this. Come to your page here before, paste it there, already changing. Copy the last one here and paste it after. There, you are done. Then you can change to any color you want. For example, if you need to change to, depending on the color you need, like that. You can need to use that color. Then you can come and change here the font color to white. There you go. Then you can update. You can even change this one, change this. After updating, you preview your work. This is how neat your work will be. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.